Good day, I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your biodata from Avantage Agency in the Philippines, right?
Yes, po.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
100%, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No.
Do you have tattoos in your skin?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am.
If you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, yeah?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. This is my second time
Alright, so why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
because I think it's a better place to stay, ma'am.
What is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is the quality of being a good domestic helper?
Uh, Hardworking, ma'am. Trustworthy and loving the kids.
What is your name?
My name is Rinalyn Idirango.
How old are you?
I'm 38 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm married, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband is 40 years old and he's working as a factory worker here in
What,
Philippines.
when is your birthday?
September 28, 1987.
What is your height and your weight?
Um, 149.8 cm.
Your weight?
Uh, 60 kilo,
What,
60 kg.
what is your religion?
IFI.
What is your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate, ma'am.
Alright. How many children do you have?
I have two children. One is,
Ages?
the first one is 15 years old and the second one is 3 years old.
Who will going to look after your kids?
My mother,
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
my mother is a housewife and she is 69 years old.
What about your father?
My father is a farmer and he's 69 years old also.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
What is your rank in your family?
I'm the youngest one.
Is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country you have your first working experience as a
In Ho-
domestic helper?
in Hong Kong, ma'am.
How many years you work there?
From May 26, 2020, 2016 to May 26, 2021.
You work for 5 years in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
Uh, Taking care the 4 years old kids, preparing food for them, ironing, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and go to market to buy some foods to cook.
Are you the one cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children you take care again?
Only one children, ma'am.
One child only. It's child,
Yes,
it's not children. When you
a
say
child.
children, it's a lot, okay? So it's one kid only inside the house, is it?
There is two kids, but only the one kids I taking care.
So how many total children inside the house?
Two,
How old are those children?
4 years old and 11 years old.
What happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Because I finished my contract, ma'am, then I go back to the Philippines to get married.
All right. After 2021, do you have any working experience?
No, ma'am, but I taking care of my own child, and
So you are a full-time mother way back 2021 and until recently, correct?
yes, ma'am.
Working abroad, you know that it's not that so easy, right? It is a very tough one.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
I would like to let you know Hong Kong and Malaysia is quite different. Got a
Yes,
huge difference. I don't
yes,
want
ma'am.
later that you were going to compare Hong Kong and Malaysia.
Yes,
Employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness.
yes, ma'am.
Houses here is also a very big one. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm all ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 years contract, same like what you have signed in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Okay? So, any uncertain situations or if you cannot handle your job anymore, you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you cannot handle your job anymore. Once you terminate your contract without cause, you know that there will be a consequences, which is
Yes,
you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia.
ma'am. I know that.
Are you okay or do you agree that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours?
Yes, I agree, ma'am.
You can use it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. And
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is a strictly no go out policy. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. And if you will rest, you rest inside the employer's house only. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
If you disagree, it's fine. We don't force people to come here. You better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries as we don't want, as I have mentioned, we don't force people to come here and we don't want that later you will give us problem once you force yourself to come. Yeah? If you
Yeah.
disagree our terms and conditions.
No, ma'am.
You've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 5 years.
Yes.
How are you gonna deal with your homesickness later?
I make myself busy, ma'am, and then do properly my house, my work duty.
Remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children also at the same time. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, you can be the boss there. But here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the employer at the same time. We need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
respect the culture of the employer. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now, Renalyn. It was my pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Have a good day.
Bye.